Hi! Today we're checking out this Volkswagen Golf GTI. It's a really awesome remote control car. So do you want to unbox it for us, Bella, so we can see what it is inside? Go! And get it out. Oh, good. Oh, it's a lovely white colour, isn't it? Almost there. Yay! Okay. I think we're gonna have to cut it. So let me cut that. Here's our beautiful new white car. Yeah. And we've got our remote control as well. Oh, now Bella's gonna put it to the test, aren't you, Bella? You gonna show us how it works? Yeah? Okay, let's go.
Let's do it now.
Let's do it, yeah. Ready? Go. Oh, wow. Oh, we're stuck. So now Dad's took over the driving. Oh! Oh! Okay, that's quite fast. Woo! There you go, you got it. Oh, it's gone right under. Can you reach it? Got it. Woo! Ready? Ready? Woo! So you got my under. Oh, well done, well done. Woo! Oh, that's for your legs. Ready? Oh, oh! You don't need to push it, sweet.